How to change or add phone number on Shein. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change or add phone number on your Shein app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your Shein app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do so, head over to the Me option on the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile, you can then tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner. After you tap on it, select Manage My Account. You should see it right here. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, there you'll see an option called Phone Number. Select Phone Number. And after you're there, you'll simply need to select your country code. So you can tap on this option to select your country code. And after you select your country code, you can then simply type in your phone number. And after that, you'll be sent a verification code. And then you can tap on the submit button to add your phone number. Now, changing your phone number is also the same process. All you have to do is change it. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.